So we've got a really nice piece of property here, and Sarah and my folks just love sitting and watching the birds in the spring and the summer. So in order to get as many as possible, I want to have as many bird feeders as possible with different selections of food. So you got to have somewhere to hang them and kind of have it be pretty and be organized, and they can get a little pricey if you do something out of metal. So I decided to do something myself and create a bird feeder that holds multiple bird feeders. Let me show you what it's all about. This is a pretty simple project. Probably anybody can do it. Looks a little bit more elaborate than it really is. So I got a piece of 10-foot black pipe, cemented it in the ground vertical. Before I put anything on it, Home Depot had this little squirrel protector job. I've got it just clamped on temporarily right now so I could figure out the exact height that I wanted it at. And the cool, easy part is that you get this little fitting and it screws right into the top of it. It's all threaded out already. I put a little piece of decorative wood there, small piece of plywood. These are 1x6s, pressure treat, and actually I had to use 2 of them. They're 4 feet each, and then I screwed them together and made these little decorative cuts, made a pattern, and duped it on the other side. And then just cut them all at the same time, and then I'll try to blow out a little image of how the 3 of them fit together in the middle there. For a little extra strength, I do need to put that piece of that plywood on top, which I'll probably do in the next week or so, just because with all the weight of the bird feeders it'll pull them down. But then just simple hooks, eye hooks, and an S on there, and you're ready to go. 6 bird feeders, high enough the squirrels won't get them, and attracting a lot of birds, which is pretty cool. Hope you guys like it, and you should try building it yourself. It's a good project. Josh out.